Good morning, second graders. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and are ready for a new week of virtual school. Today, your science assignment is to complete a Google Slides scavenger hunt. We've been using Google Slides to complete our assignments in virtual school, and you guys have been doing an awesome job of using Google Slides. So today we wanted to give you an opportunity to practice your skills and maybe learn a few new things. So today your job is to finish watching this video. Then you're going to complete the Google Slides scavenger hunt on slides 4 through 6. You may complete the expert slides 7 through 9 if you wish, but they are not mandatory. When you finish, don't forget to turn in the assignment on Google Classroom. Your first job in your Google Slides scavenger hunt is to insert a text box on this slide and then practice changing the font colors and styles. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. To insert a text box on a Google slide, there are two ways to do it. You can click Insert Text Box here, or you can use a shortcut. The shortcut in Google Slides to insert a text box is this box with a T inside it, that when you hover your mouse over it, it will say text box. So I'm going to insert a text box using the shortcut here. So I click, and then I need to click where I want to insert the text box. Okay, then you need to write a message to your teacher inside the text box. So I'm going to write, "Have a great day." And then we're going to practice changing the font size to 24. So remember, to change the text inside a text box, you always have to highlight it first. And then to change the text size, I'm going to come up here and click the plus size until it gets to 24. Okay, now I want to change the color of the text to your favorite color. So to change the color of the text in a text box, you come up here to this icon with an A and a line under it. And if you click on it, you can see all the colors. And I'm going to change my text to purple. And that's how you insert a text box and change the font colors. On slide 5, you need to insert an image from your Chromebook onto this slide. So to insert an image from your Chromebook, there are again two ways. You can click Insert Image, or you can click the shortcut to insert an image that looks like a box with mountains inside it. So when I click on Insert Image, today I'm going to upload an image from computer. But you can also search the web, insert a photo from your drive, or use the camera app to insert a photo directly from your Chromebook. So today I'm going to upload from computer, and this might look a little bit different on your Chromebook. On mine, I need to go to my Documents folder. On your Chromebook, I think you need to go to the Files folder to find any images that you have saved. And you can choose to insert any image that you already have saved on your Chromebook. Today, I'm going to insert an image of my dad with my nephew. So once you click on the image that you want to insert, go ahead and click on Open. And that will insert your picture onto the slide. On slide 6, you need to change the size of the image below. To change the size of an image, first click on the image. And then you're going to click and drag the blue boxes on the 4 corners of the image to change its size. Make sure that you click on one of the boxes in the 4 corners. Here, 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 or here. If you click on the boxes in the middle of the sides of the image, this will distort the image. You can see how it gets stretched out. So once you click on the blue box in one of the corners, you can drag it to change the size. You can practice moving your image around as well. So you can make your image bigger and smaller. And those are all of the mandatory jobs for your assignment today. If you want to work on the expert slides, you can follow the directions in the slides. To use spell check to fix the sentence below, insert a comment onto this slide, and add an arrow to point towards where you live in Costa Rica. So go ahead and get started on slide 4 by inserting a text box. Have fun!